Master storytellers guide groups through darkened streets for a historically accurate, fun-filled tour full of New Orleans ghost stories and tales of vampires. Join the only tour in New Orleans to focus specifically on these two top topics of weirdness in our city. You will see the famous LaLaurie Mansion from the American horror story Coven TV show and hear the spookiest ghost stories New Orleans has to offer. You will also learn about our real-life vampire culture in New Orleans, see the shop where they buy their fangs, and learn some of their favorite haunts. This is no gimmick. These are real-life people who live their lives as self-proclaimed vampires. Who are they? Why do they do what they do? What really is a real vampire? These are the questions we will tackle together as we stroll through one of the oldest and possibly the most romantic neighborhoods in the United States. Wheelchair accessible. Infants and small children can ride in a pram or stroller. Service animals allowed. Public transportation options are available nearby. Transportation options are wheelchair accessible. All areas and surfaces are wheelchair accessible. Suitable for all physical fitness levels. Minimum drinking age is 21 years. In order to help preserve the French Quarter from vehicular traffic, it is requested that you please walk, if possible, to the convenient tour departure point, just a short stroll from most downtown hotels. Children must be accompanied by an adult. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older, or be accompanied by an adult, to book.